What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So we got another little video for you today. And this is a very quick and simple video. But I ran into an issue and I fixed the issue. So I want to share what the resolution was to all of you. Now, if you have a C6 Corvette, and it's probably the same for any Corvette, I'm not real sure, you may be smelling gas. If you smell gas in your car, you immediately go onto the forums, go into Facebook groups, and they'll tell you, oh, you need to drop the tank and fix this washer or fix this plastic piece, replace it. Whole bunch of most difficult stuff. But there's one thing that you probably want to do first before you even do that if you are smelling gas in your Corvette. Real simple and plain. You need to check your gas cap, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Now, this recently happened to my car and I fixed it, so I can't exactly show you what happened because I have no idea what I did with my old gas cap, but we will get as close as we can. So let's walk over here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I've already popped it open. I was going to do this last night, but it was getting too dark. Okay, so this is a replacement cap. I'll put a link in the description. I think I got it off Amazon. As you can see, if you have a Corvette, it's not the same one. Here's what happens with the gas cap. Okay, you will come to the car. Okay, you're filling up your gas. You twist it. You know, you hear the pops, the 3 pops, and you just walk away thinking you're done. But the problem is, this cap is not on. What was happening is I would twist it. I'd hear clicks, get in the car and go. But one time I came out here and I tightened it up. I think I was at the gas station and it pulled right out. I put it back in, screwed it like you're supposed to screw it, boom, and just pulled it and it came right out. What happened was, so I pulled the cap out. I didn't see that there was nothing wrong with it, but it just would not lock in place. So then I got to thinking, I wonder if that's why my car is smelling like gas in the inside when I get to it. And it's only when I get like half a tank or more. So it's not the whole time. When the fuel is high, that's when you really smell it in the car. Could not figure it out. I thought it was my nitrous, my race fuel tank in the back. That wasn't it, because I haven't smelled the gas since. And I've had this on here probably about a month, at least a month or 2 since I fixed it. Could even be longer than that. But again, the problem is your gas cap. And gas caps are real expensive. So definitely try that first before you take it to the dealership, trying to drop the tank, whoppity boop, bop, bam. And I want to say this is the second gas cap I've had on this car, to tell you the truth. But the other ones I've had for a long time. And another symptom of this will be you go to start your car up and it goes dead. That is a good sign that your gas cap ain't on tight. So go ahead and check it. If you start your car up and it won't start on the first try, start on the second try, that is a good indication, because you have no pressure. You have no pressure in your tank because your cap ain't on. Perfect sign. That was happening to me. I thought maybe the car is just getting old. Never once thought it was the gas cap, because the gas cap, for all intents and purposes, it did what it was supposed to do, but it wasn't locked. I hope this video was able to help you. Y'all let me know what you think about it, or if you've had this same problem in the comments, or maybe you have some other tips. But I do know in my particular situation, a new $14 gas cap fixed the problem. No dealership charging book time or none of that bullshit. This your boy. Peace.